It's made by GRIPEDGE. You get a few stickers in the box. Some nice silica gel, some desiccant to keep the moisture out. And then you get a ratchet and screwdriver, a T-handle, and a pile of bits. This you can get on Amazon for about $250. For anyone that knows about grip edges, you can see it's really easy to tell on the Allen keys. See the looks kind of like a ninja star. These bits are designed to grip into your fasteners and to prevent stripping and to remove stripped fasteners. You also get the quarter to quarter, quarter-inch hex to quarter-inch square. Get a wing nut adapter, and you get a bit adapter for a quarter-inch ratchet. Should put that in upside down. You have a nice ratcheting screwdriver, which has my favorite feature of locking in the middle. On the rear of this thing, if I can do it one-handed, hold on. On the rear of this, you have bit storage for 6 bits, or 12 if you put them in double. And another feature I like is it's got a magnetic catch in there, so you can slide this off and use this as a little bit driver as well. So for anyone that's been around the industry, you've probably seen Max kit like this. Snap-on doesn't have a cheap one. I don't know, they might have one on Blue Point, but I'm not sure. That's just in a blow molded case, where this is in foam, and the foam does lift out of this. If you were so inclined to set this in a toolbox, you could. I'm not going to, because I travel with a lot of tools. Another feature on this one that I've never tried on my Mac, but I know the Snap-on will do, is you have your T-handle, and this is the feature I was talking about. So say you have that T-handle and you need a lot more grip, or you need a lot more torque, you can stick the main bit into that, and now you can get your good purchase on there and put a lot of torque into that twisting. Now, I don't know why you need to, but if you needed to, you could do it this way too. Maybe a little bit more reach into a tight hole or something. But that's just a quick overview of the GRIPEDGE screwdriver kit. Like I said, they are pricey. Everything GRIPEDGE is pricey. I still think it's cheaper than the Snap-on one. I'll be doing a comparison video pretty soon to this and what's left of my Mag one. I usually pick these up to keep on me when I travel, so I have a good assortment no matter what I run into, working on electronics or some sort of control apparatuses. I usually have the bit I need in here. Yeah, that's about it.